Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This video is part of a collab with my dear friend Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home, along with other lovely ladies that you can check out on the playlist, which I'm going to list in the description box below. If you came over from one of their channels, hello and welcome. So let's get tidy. My laundry today, so I'm going to start that. But as you can see, you guys, this is my kitchen. Just got done having some breakfast. Queen G is finishing up hers. I started the dishwasher last night, but the rest of it didn't fit, so I need to unload the dishwasher and then load all of that stuff up, clean my crock pot. As you see too, I have all of my filming stuff because I was filming yesterday a declutter video. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, just things I need to put away. It's kind of cray right now, but I thought, why not share with you guys a little bit of a, well, not little, it's kind of a disaster. And there's like a lot of cleaning videos like where they show you like the huge mess in the kitchen, and then all of a sudden it's pretty cool to watch them just kind of clean it up. So I thought, why not? I'm gonna knock it out. And after so much better, so much better.